Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a fall inspired makeup look. This is a preview of what it looks like. I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe down below. Okay, for my eyes I'm going to go in with the Toofaced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to start out with Puree. And I'm just going to use this blending brush from Essence. Next I'm going to go in with Summer Yum. And I'm just putting this just on like the outer portion in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller blending brush. This one's from SL Miss Glam. Got it in my Ipsy bag. And I'm going to go into Charmed, I'm sure. And I'm going to just try to pack this just on the outer portion of my eye. Just keep it in that outer corner. I'm going to take the same brush and go back into Summer Yum, which is that more reddish brown shade, and kind of go over that Charmed, I'm sure color in the outer corner. Okay, then I'm going to go into just Peachy, and I'm going to load this Eco Tools brush up with that color and spray it with some setting spray, or you can use water. And I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I forgot to spray it. I'm going to take a little bit of Caramelize down here, and I'm going to try to apply that to the outside edge. I'm using a tiny pencil brush. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm using just this e.l.f. liquid liner. It's in black. When you use a liquid eyeliner like this with the brush tip, you might be able to do this with the felt tip too, but you want to like wipe the excess off. That way you can get like more controlled brush strokes. Next I'm going to go with the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I got this in a boxy charm a little while back. Next I'm going to go in with this matte bronzer from Ulta. This is in the shade Warm. I'm going to use this e.l.f. contouring brush. I like a bronzer that's really light and subtle. Next I'm going to go in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Feisty. Next I'm going to go in with Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter in the shade Sin. Mine's a little busted. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. highlighting brush. I got this as a free birthday gift this year. Next I'm going to go in with this lip gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Kristen. This is my favorite gloss I've ever used because whenever the shininess goes away, it still leaves a little color on your lips. Okay, then I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And that's it for today's look. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!